Welcome to Naturaliss Jamaican Home Cooking. Alright, this week I'm going to be doing mango, rum, vanilla ice cream. Zin, my very first time making ice cream. So let's see how it works out. So if you're just joining in, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend and another friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend. Friend. And then another friend. Yeah, you hear me? Come make we bubble apart. So we have our mango puree, right? We're gonna add our Betty sweetened condensed milk, 180 grams, not sponsored by Betty. So we're gonna add half a teaspoon of salt. Alright, so we're going to sweeten. Going to leave this on low for about 15 minutes and allow it to thicken. We have our Benjamin's vanilla, right? Not sponsored by Benjamin, right? So we had quarter cup of vanilla. So we have our Rare Nephew white overproof rum, right? Not sponsored by Rare Nephew. So we had quarter cup Rare Nephew white overproof rum. So we had a tip more condensed milk just to give it that cream. So we're gonna allow this to cool and put it in the refrigerator, right, until it is well frozen. Yeah man, mango rum vanilla ice cream is ready, you know. Going to test it out, see what it is like. See it? Well, it's a bit soft, you know. Could have been frozen some more. Right, but trust me, it's very yummy, very tasty. Right, can taste the rum, can taste the vanilla, can taste the mango. Right, very good, you know. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend and tell another friend and another friend and a 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 friend. Friend and then another friend. Zin? Boom!